Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is my Treasure Trove giveaway. I do this about once a month or so, anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks. And it's time to, I had already chosen a winner. It's time to show you who won from last month, and then we start a new giveaway. So it's going to be a little bit different this time. So I will still have 3 groupings, and you will tell me the order of how you like your group of how you would like to win. And I'll explain more of that as we go. And then I have just a different thing to add, and I'll talk about that later. So we had 2 groups. I mean, you know, I showed you 2 groups of items, and then there's a surprise item, and it's in here. And I want to say item, there's a couple of items. And our winner is, the name comes up as Michael Weber, but that's Amy. So Amy won. She chose number 2. Well, I know what she chose, but I think it was number 2. Yeah, it was number 2. It was number 2. She chose number 2. Number 2 was the e.l.f. blush and this great face brush from e.l.f. Oops. And also the volume plumping black mascara. That was group number 2. So we have to replace group number 2. So we'll start from the beginning, okay? I'll show you what is in group number 1. Group number 1 is being carried over from the last game, okay? So this is what we have in group 1. We have the Dashing Diva Magic Press short nails. They're very, very beautiful. It's like a coffee color. And this is has a little bit more mauve to it. So there's these 2 different colors in here. And then these are a beautiful print. There's some gold on there, like a splattered gold. And there's some, maybe like a salmon in there and pink, yellowish colors. And these are the short nails. Now I have on long nails right now. These are Dashing Diva longs. And there you can see how they, you know, are over a little bit. So the short I've wore the short recently. I showed you what the short look like. They are a little bit shorter than these, but they're very, very nice. There's 30 nails in here, so you can get several manicures out of this package. And then also in group number 1 is the this cute little e.l.f. mini melt, or e.l.f. mint melt. This is the what do they call this little palette? I forget. Why do I forget that? Mini melt. Yeah, they call it, this palette is a mini melt palette. And the color is called chocolate mint. I'm sorry, a little backwards today. So these 2 are shimmers and these 2 are mattes, and the beautiful colors to blend together there. And also in group number 1 is the lip gloss. This is called Lip Lacquer in the color Love Bite. You see those lovely glitters in there? Very, very pretty. So that's group number 1. So if you love this group, then you'll put this down as your number 1 choice, okay? Then I'm gonna show you group 2, because now I have to replace group 2 since Amy won group 2. So in group 2, we have this Seriously Satin Cherry Lipstick. Now I know there's a lot of glitter on there, but this is a bullet lipstick, and you can see completely clear. The case is completely clear, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color in cherry. So it's a nice dark bluish red, okay? And then we have, excuse me, we have this e.l.f. volumizing mascara, and this is black in this package. And then I don't know why I didn't take this out of here, but I should have. Let me see if I can do it real fast. The packaging on e.l.f. is so nice, and I don't like to damage the packaging. But this is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush in Rose Gold. The packaging is just very nice, and then the little compact that's in there. Well, here we go. I want you to see how pretty it is. Okay. It has it doesn't have a mirror or anything. You can see it's clear, but it's a baked, I love baked makeup. It just wears really well. Well, I can't get that open, so that'll be just fine. it's two-toned, as you can see. It is called Rose Gold. So you can see this is rose and this is gold. So you've got your highlighter and you've got your blush in there. Boy, the ring light is really hitting that, because it's domed, so it's catching the light really, really good. So that is group number 2. And then group number 3 is a surprise. It's in this bag. You don't get the bag. You just get what's in the bag if you choose number 3. So if you like number 3 the best, you'd say 3. And then tell me what you like second best and what you like third best, okay? So 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, whichever way you want to do it, okay? And that's if you'd like to participate, then you'll tell me what order you'd like to win something in. I only chose one winner right now because I have a bunch of giveaways going on. Sometimes I choose more than one winner. So if your first choice is taken, then I'd like to know what your second choice is. And so now, what's going to be new and exciting with this game? At least I hope it'll be exciting. You all seem to really enjoy the advent calendar giveaway that I've done, the 2 where we did a treasure hunt. So this is my treasure trove giveaway. So I'm going to do a treasure hunt also. And with this treasure hunt, how it's going to work is until we get to our next end of the game, which is about a month, I'm going to show some bonus items in other videos. And if you win, when I draw the name next month, and you can tell me the bonus items from the month, from the time frame, then you will win those bonus items. If I show 5 bonus items, I haven't worked out what I'm going to show yet or when I'm going to show it. So if I show 5 bonus items and you can name all 5, you win all 5. If you can only name 3, you'll win 3. If you can't name any, then you win 1, 2, or 3. If I show 15 bonus items and you can name all 15, you win all 15. It just depends what I'm going to do. So you'll have to watch my other videos to see. And just keep you a list. You know, a lot of people can keep a list on their phone. Do that, because then you don't have to lose your paper. A lot of people have been telling me, oh, I lost my paper, I have to start over. I don't want this to be a lot of work for you. I want it to be fun. I really do. I want it to be fun, and I want it to be encourage you to win some more products. So let me know if you like that idea. You can say that too. So tell me in order of how you'd like to win. Here is grouping number 1 again. Grouping number 1. Grouping number 2. And group number 3. Put them in order of how you'd like to receive them, and let me know if you like the bonus idea or not. If you hate it, tell me. I'm just trying to think of a fun way to incorporate some more bonus things, because you all seem to really like the treasure hunt. And if it gets to be too much work for everybody, then we won't do it again. We'll try it for this month and see. Okay, so this is the month of January. This is airing on January 10th. So I'll pick a specific date to end this. And I don't have my calendar. Yes, I do. It's right in front of me. My calendar is right here. Let me look and see what date we'll end this, because that would probably be the easiest way to go. So today's January 10th. 1, 2, 3. I know I get behind sometimes on things. So we'll go 4 weeks. We'll end this on February 8th. How's that? I'll end this February 8th. And then from there, February 8th. So give me a day or 2 or 3. I'll end it February 8th at noon Central Time. So if I can get a video up that evening, I will. Otherwise, the 9th or the 10th. And then we'll see how it went with the bonus. Then whoever wins, I'll ask you if you know any of the bonuses. And if you can tell me the bonuses, you'll win them. And then we'll see if you, and then in that next video, we'll see if you all hate it or love it. Okay, how does that sound? Okay, in the meantime, tell me as we go if you hate it or love it. And I think that's it now, y'all. So I hope it'll be fun. If it's not gonna be fun, like I said, we'll do something else. We'll think of something else. Okay, so let me know what you think. And because you know, y'all, because this is what I have to say about y'all. Y'all are wonderful subscribers to me. Y'all are loyal, and I love you all. And you know, y'all really do watch my videos, and that means a lot to me. And yeah, I want to thank you for that. I thank you very much for that, because I feel, even though my channel is on the smaller, to me it's big, but it's on the smaller side compared to these big, huge channels. How I feel is I'm successful because of y'all, and it's because of you guys. It really is. I wouldn't be here if you weren't watching me. I wouldn't be able to continue if you weren't watching me. So I love y'all very much. I care for y'all very much. I really do. I pray for y'all every night. I really do. And I'm just so glad you are here. And I just really am grateful to y'all, because you being here encourages me every day. It encourages me every day to continue. And I have to thank you for that. And y'all count your blessings. And well, like I said, this will end February 8th at noon Central Time. And then give me a day or 2 or 3 to get out another video, and we'll see what y'all think, okay? Love y'all, and take care. Count your blessings. Bye.